This is my 2014 Nike Air Force 1 Flax Mid. Yeah, they're not quite high, they're not quite low. You get this black touch here, black. Notice how the rope's uniform color. A little bit of green right here, gum. And the material doesn't show a lot of wear despite me wearing these. And that's because this is a nubuck. So it's very Timberland. However, this is a 9.5. I wear a 10 or a 10.5. And I also had quality issues with these. These were really my first hype sneaker back fall 2014. Really, the first one I got. Look at this. What are we doing here? We've got like felt misaligned. It's kind of bothered me. And they fit a little tight, but otherwise they're great. So I thought I'd get a new pair, seeing as how these were just re-released in the size 10. There's just one problem. This is the box they came in. All right, so looking at sneaker Reddit, it seems that maybe UPS damaged the double box, the outer box that Nike had put these in, didn't want to get another box, and well, we got this. Leaving no mystery as to what's inside. I am concerned because this is the dirtiest box to ever arrive at my door, ever. So, God, I don't really even want to touch the shoes. All right, where do we get started here? All right, let's see what we have. Not the dirtiest paper. There's hope. And look at that. Could that be what I was hoping for right there? Yeah, you got the green touches, black, uniform laces, looks new, US size 10. This is a beaut, like really, and these are sitting on shelves. You can get these on Sneakers app, or you can go to Nike.com, which is kind of what I did. Try to use the Fetch app. If you sign up for Fetch, you can get some extra points using my link in the pinned comment and description, and then shop on the Fetch shop to get a little bit of extra points when you shop in Nike. You couldn't do that with sneakers, so I did that to, just try to lift the burden a little bit. They didn't describe this as gum, but this is gum. I'm pretty happy with that. And with just a little more room to breathe, man, this shoe right here, oh, it is going to look good, really. Yeah, very, very similar. And here's the old pair. It looks like we have a little bit of a difference on the color of this buckle. In fact, maybe the color's a little lighter on the new one, just overall. In person, you can see this is more of a gum, that's for sure. But I think on feet and all, this is gonna look pretty good. I think so. That's about as close as they've made these again. Just a little darker on the original, even on the laces, but the quality control's there, right? Because the original, look at this. So I think you'd be pretty happy if you replaced these, and with the sneaker market collapsing, you can do that.
Hey, it's Vaughn's mom again, and I just want to remind you that for at least the moment, the like button is free, but don't put it past YouTube to charge money for it someday.